In this video, I will be disassembling this 2017 Nissan Altima Halogen headlight. I will begin by removing the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the bezel is connected to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. I will begin by removing the cover over the turn signal reflector. It is held in place with two Phillips head screws. Next, I'm going to loosen the bottom adjusting bolt. On the rear of the light, we need to turn this 5/16 screw to the left. Next, I'm going to remove the two upper projector mounts. I will begin by removing the upper outside projector mount. There is a clip on either side of this plastic mount. I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers to squeeze both sides and pull the projector forward. Next, I'm going to do the same on the upper middle projector mount. With the two upper projector mounts removed, the whole unit should simply slide forward. At this point, the headlight housing is empty. The projector is held in place by four Phillips head screws. There are three Phillips head screws holding the projector bowl to the projector lens. At this point, the headlight is completely disassembled. Here is the projector disassembled. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.